Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to Life with My Wife and Mukbang Thursday. We're gonna try another diner. What's the name? Zach's.
Zach's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's called Zach's.
On
So-
Henderson Highway.
We'll see how their burgers and gravy and whatever we choose to try. And look, my neighbor just put their dog outside and was just standing on the porch looking around.
Yeah.
We have to be careful because yesterday my neighbor was standing in her backyard and a coyote ran right through her yard. So I came out and sat with Brody while he was doing his business last night. Anyway, it's nice out today.
It is.
I don't know what temp it is. He's fiddling with his GPS. He's spelling a word, but it was like, oh shoot, where's that letter? We got Mr. Broad. And say hi. Tell everybody, say, you had so much fun with your new friend Carolyn. From Carolyn Canadian Gal. Didn't you, buddy? And then today Aunt Dorothy came over to play. Yeah. Are you a little warm? He just wants to get going. Anyway, all right. We'll meet you at the diner.
Hopefully you can see that. We are at Zach's Drive-In. So we got a couple cheeseburgers and some fries. So stay tuned and you'll see us.
All right. Got our food.
Okay, and as we said, it was Zach's Drive-In, but there is the menu. Looks good. I've already put we had to put ketchup and relish onto our burger separately because it comes with mustard and onions.
And chili.
Oh, and yeah, and I asked for no chili.
Yeah.
That's a Manitoba staple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't ask for it, you're going to get chili on your burger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we
Here.
got a side of gravy to try. Homemade fries, homemade burger patty. See what this gravy's like. Is it just me or does it not have much flavor either?
No, it doesn't.
There's like hardly any flavor to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Salt and vinegar?
Hopefully you didn't pay too much for it.
I don't know.
Well, you couldn't have because you got the drink, the two burgers, the fries, and the gravy. It was only 22 something. Yeah, that's got no flavor. Sorry, Zach. If somebody comes across this, it doesn't have a lot of flavor.
No.
Yeah.
And grab me a vinegar and I'll...
Yeah.
I already got a salt because there was a salt in here.
Okay. Yeah. Ooh, look at the haircut on that lady. Sporting the purple haircut. Hey, Brody, come here.
There
Where?
we go.
Brody, fry. Maybe that would get you to be quiet. Alright, let's try this burger.
It's a nice big burger. Yeah, I don't know what it is about Manitoba, but they like chili on their burgers.
And their hot dog, So I was reading some reviews about this place. They warn people, if you want chili on your hot dog, be prepared for your hot dog to be swimming in it.
Oh, really? Can I have a napkin, please?
Yeah, you got one right there.
Oh. Burger's not bad at all.
It's not. It's got good flavor, but you know what? It'd be a lot better if they smashed them. They did like a smash burger.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Not too heavy on the seasoning.
No. When I was sitting inside waiting for our order, this guy came in with this great, big, huge dog. Like, not a seeing eye dog or, like...
Just a dog?
Just a dog. And she came up to my foot and I was like, oh, aren't you pretty?
What kind of dog was it? You know?
I don't know, big.
Yeah.
Like half horse kind of big.
Well, they don't have signs on the door, but I don't think you're supposed to have.
Yeah, like it was weird. So, oh well.
So there's another place, like not even a block that way. It was funny when we were driving down, Kelly goes, oh, there it is. Oh, okay, I got to turn here. As I'm turning, we realized, wait a minute, there's where we're going. It worked out, coming around the block. But that is another one that we would like to try.
Kind of funny, we're kind of doing a series of burger joints.
Yeah, it's kind of there's quite a few of them here in the city, so.
Yeah. Oh, well, last week I got the fish and chips. I didn't get a burger. There's people coming in and out constantly.
Yeah. I mean, it's a good deal because Kelly got the special that's on their board. It's 2 cheeseburgers and a large fry for $15 something, I can't see, $15.99. So then she got a pop and the gravy, and it only costs $22.89.
Yeah.
So that's pretty good. That means the pop was only a couple bucks and the gravy was only a couple of bucks.
Now, from last week to this week, I liked last week's better. Like, I liked the fries better and stuff. But this is good.
Yeah. I find a lot of these places that do the homemade fries, I find they don't do them properly. And when I say that, I compare it to a chip truck.
Uh-huh.
A lot of factors go into this. Age of the oil. How much are you pre-cooking your fries?
I was gonna say, he thinks you're like teasing him or something.
Yeah. I know chip trucks, they blanch their fries. They don't half cook them, they just blanch them and then they cook.
I think I'm done. I think I'm just gonna have a few fries and maybe one of these joints will have some decent gravy sometime.
Yeah. It's a little disappointing.
Well, it shows you not to get the poutine then here.
Nope.
But I think from the picture I saw, I think they use shredded cheese anyway, so you wouldn't anyway.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. It's gotta be cured cheese.
Mm-hmm. I don't think we're ever gonna find French fries like we had in Sarnia.
No.
I'm done. Don't be giving him too many more. You're gonna end up puking in the car.
I'm only giving him what I took out.
Yeah, well, that's too many.
Yes, mother.
And
Start calling you Harry Olsen. Okay, Mom said that was it.
tell me under the bus.
Huh?
So would I come back? Yeah. Would it be my favorite place? No.
No. Nope.
So.
But we wouldn't know if we didn't come to try it.
Yeah.
There's a garbage right there, dear. Are you having any more fries?
No, I'm not. So, anyways.
Oh, crappy gravy. All right, that is it. Anyway, take very long to eat.
No, that's all
Well,
right.
short video.
Oh well.
Anyways,
We get to see our pretty faces.
tell you what, why don't you guys put in the comments some of your favorite places, drive-in. Thank you. Some of your favorite places and drive-ins that you like to go. Let us know where they are and it's up to you, like what city they're in.
Yeah, and if you do live in our area and you tell us your favorite burger places and we haven't been,
Yes.
we will go.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
See you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Yesterday there was sun.